Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import STL to FreeCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now what you need to do is create a new project, then go to the file at the top, click on it, and then click on import. And yeah, find where you have this STL file, just like that. And now just click open, and this will basically open up the STL file which you have downloaded uh, to your computer. And yeah, now you can start editing this STL file freely as you wish. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.